Alright, this is the baking soda gender test, and supposedly, if you take baking soda in a cup and then pour your urine over it, if it fizzes like soda pop or like the head on a beer, then it's a boy, and if it does not fizz at all, then it's a girl. So let's see, I am 27 weeks, so this should be pretty definite, but let's find out. And it looks like we're getting foam on the top. You can hear it fizzing now. So this would be without any fizz, and this is with the fizz. So, I don't know, that's pretty definite. And we do already know that it's a boy, so I guess this is a check on the plus side for the baking soda test. Shows that it might be an actual test that works. So good luck, ladies, with your testing. It's getting even fizzier now.